Welcome. Today I'll show you a quick and reliable way to enable email notifications for Reels on the Facebook app. Using the latest update, if you want to stay in the loop whenever new Reels drop, this is for you. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to manage. On the home screen, look to the top right corner and tap your profile photo. This takes you to your personal profile page and sets the stage for the settings you'll adjust next. Next, you'll want to access the settings area. Tap Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This section collects all the controls for how Facebook behaves on your account, including notifications and how you're alerted about activity. Now, scroll down a little and select Notifications. This is where Facebook groups different kinds of alerts so you can customize how you're contacted. You'll see several categories here, each covering a different type of notification like comments, likes, and reminders. We're focusing on Reels, so keep an eye out for that specific category. Within Notifications, locate Reels. Tap it to open the Reels notification options. Here you'll find the choices that determine how you're alerted about new Reels activity. Look for email and toggle it on. Turning this on means Facebook will send you email updates whenever there are new Reels or related activity that you've opted into.